It's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. The body grabs you, the interior draws you in, and the engine keeps you coming back. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, streaming audio, power tilting steering column, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and twin-turbo V6 engine. This from Edmunds.com. Mercedes-Benz E-Class continues to epitomize the modern midsize luxury car with its sophisticated technology, elegant furnishings, and wide selection of engines and features. To get the best, get a Mercedes-Benz. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,